Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on a Monday, December the 18th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain, the Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. Yes, it's a binary time. Let me continue with the binary puzzle. Let me have some space here. Alright. Let me see. The binary puzzle number. Let me zoom this. I believe number 7644. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes a 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And between 2 O's, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here one, there one. Finished in 3 minutes. Well, without comparing. We solved again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku we have. Until then, bye-bye for now.